If you love healthy, delicious cookies with lots of plant protein, then you're going to love this double chocolate protein cookie recipe. All you need is 3/4 cup peanut butter, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and then I like to beat the peanut butter and chocolate powder together to fluff up the peanut butter, make it airy, make it fluffy before adding the almond flour. It's great for texture. It's good for fluffiness. You might need to scrape the sides once or twice because the cocoa powder might crumb up at the top. So just scrape the sides and blend it again. I love the combination of chocolate and peanut butter. It reminds me of Reese's peanut butter cups. I added a pinch of salt and 1 cup of almond flour. Then beat it again with your electric beater sticks. Beat it until it's combined and the chocolate is evenly combined and the peanut butter and almond flour is evenly combined. And then you can add 3/4 cup of unsweetened chocolate chips. And I'm gonna mix the dough with my hands at this point because it's really sticky and it's sticking to the spoon. Then I ended up adding 1/2 cup of crushed walnuts. You could also add some stevia or some kind of sugar substitute at this point, but I went ahead and left it out. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Line your baking tray with parchment paper. Bake them at 350 degrees for only 12 minutes and then let them rest.